guys. So hi guys, I can show you that I have voice chat and I can now chat. But I have a new account. Ako na. Can you watch YouTube? Sama mo. Then just go to play this. Mic up. Can you watch YouTube? Yeah, you can watch with me. Halika, watch tayo. This is just my cousin. Ang taba. Ang taba. Alright, this is my avatar. I delete my old account. Yeah. And this is my voice chat. Stop it. This is my voice chat. Hey! Is anyone out here? Hey, is anyone out here? Hey, is anyone out here? Nakakainis. Is anyone out here? Is anyone out here? I need to play with them.
Alis ka na.
This time. Harvey, be quiet ah.
Akin yung cellphone ko na.
Hello, we have voice chat. Oh, so many people has voice chat. Lapuputay.
Good night.
Best. Ay, best. 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 Best, meron kang voice chat? Best! Meron kang voice chat? Ikaw, may voice chat ka, Best? Best, may voice chat ka? Okay, wala palang voice chat dito. Wala nang voice chat. Arben! Arben, alis! Arben, paalis na. Paalis. Yan. Sit tayo. Quiet ka ha, quiet. Hello, Best. Arben. Sige. Aalis ako kapag hindi ka quiet. Dito tayo. Dito tayo.
Ito yung gawin kong RRS namin.
Mamatay ko to. Best.
Bien!
Best. Hello, Best. Best, meron ano dito, Best?
Nasa RRS na to eh.
Best, hello, Best.
Raven.
Hi, nako, Best. Ang
Nasa RRS.
sobrang high mo naman. Best.
Raven.
Best. Ayoko na,
Ito yung
Best.
RRS
Ayoko
nyo,
na.
diba?
Hindi
Ano
Best, dito tayo, Best. Okay. Dito ka, Best.
Ilang yun? Paano
Best, dito ka.
Actually walked through the wall. The audience was amazed. They all wanted him to do it again, so he had to force himself to perform. When the screen was closed,
Ano?
the man made a quick gesture.
Ano lalaro ko na,
His partner
guys?
quickly pulled down the mechanism.
Parang
A small
may
hole appeared on the
voice
floor,
chat ako.
and therein lies the secret of wall
Harvey,
entry.
naglalaro na
And
ako
so it was.
horror.
Houdini, the great magician, came crawling through
Look at me.
his mysterious world.
Nakatawa mo.
Once again,
Look at
he
me.
returned to the audience's view.
Tawa ka. Ang ganda mo naman.
The next day, the king
Ate Amira, tawa ka. Ayoko. Tawa ka. Tingnan mo, horror kapag pinapatawa mo ako. Lalaro tayo. Horror na. Horror na. Sobrang horror nyon. Meron pang jump scare. Nakakatakot. Kakatakot yun. Ano yung lalaro? Yung sa horror matatakot.
Slipped a white silk scarf.
Ano ka?
And the next
Wait.
moment, a
Kakatawa mo. Tawa ka. Ayoko. Tawa ka. Ay, di mo matakot. Hello? Wala kayong voice chat? Hala, lahat may voice chat. Oh, lahat may voice chat. Marami naman dito. What?
Do you speak English? Do you speak English? Do you speak English?
Bes, Bes.
Do you speak English?
Naririnig mo ko, Bes? Uy, nakakatawa ka naman, Bes. Tignan mo. Tignan mo, parang kalbo ka, Bes. Alika! 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 Hahabol kita! Hahabol kita! Alika! Bes, alika! Hahabol kita! Don't habol me! Don't habol me! Oy, alika dito, Bes. Uy! Nahulog pa ako! Ay, nahulog lang si Bes, oh. Ayoko na. Ayoko na. Uy! Papa! May candy ko yan! May candy. Gusto may candy.
Ilagay ko to lahat sa RRS namin, Ben.
Ate Amira, kanya buksan malaki. Santo lang, oh. Ha? Santo lang. Wala na kasi to eh. Wala na. Meron pa yan. Ito, malaman. Malaman to, oh.
Sigurado kang tama to, ah.
Dalawa ko idol tayo. Titingnan ko muna kapag sinusupport yung voice chat. Ayun. Gusto ko sinusupport yung voice chat eh. Bang. Bang. Tayo muna. Again. Ha? Butang. 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 Butang.
Uy, Ben!
Ha?
Ben! Pero nga saglit, cellphone mo.
Bayan eh.
Saglit lang!
Oo, dahil.
Saglit lang! Puno mo saglit cellphone ni Papa, dali.
Mama ko cellphone mo.
Teka lang.
Ha?
Hey, Ben!
Ano gagawin mo?
Saglit nga lang eh!
Ano muna?
Ano?
Ano gagawin mo muna?
Inenay mo ba to?
Oo.
Akin na nga patingin.
Arben, no, ito lang. Sa'yo, ito akin. Busog ka na? Hindi na ako.
Ayusin mo yung laptop. Ako yung taga-ayos lagi eh. Yung taga-alis eh.
Para sa yung citation.
May citation.
Wala naman itong citation ah.
Meron kayo, meron yan.
Ben, ang ano namin, meron kami acknowledgement. Acknowledgement ng background of the study, statement of the problem, scope and delimitation, objective of the study, significance of the study. Chapter 2, related literature. related studies, theoretical framework, conceptual framework, definition of terms. Ay,
Ano mo na yan?
wait. Nasa chapter 3. Research design, population frame, and sample size. Tapos, description of respondents. Tapos, research instrument, data gathering procedure.
Ayan.
Ano ba yung ano? Ano ba yung description of respondents? Description of respondents.
Ito na talaga yung ano. Sinabi nila.
Kaya naman mag-interview gamit yung mga question na nakalagay doon sa may ano
Kailangan
naman.
yung gumawa ng sarili ng question.
Meron diba dito sa chapter mo?
Kasi evidence namin yun eh.
Wala nga doon yung sa amin yung ano, description of respondent eh.
Hindi.
Wala sa, ituro mo nga kasi sa akin.
Ano ba kayo sa akin?
Ganda ko awal na.
Lahat mo kami notya mo?
Lagyan natin yan. Yan, ano? Wag na. Wait lang. Ito na, ito na, ito na. Harbian, ito na. Harbian! Ito. Nandito na ako. Nandito na ako. Ha? Nandito na ako. Ha? Nandito na ako.
Ang gulo naman ang sinend mo sa akin.
Patingnan mo ako. Kalbo, kalbo, kalbo si Harbian. Sige, hard. Yes. Yes. Diyan ka lang ha. Diyan ka lang. Diyan ka lang. Yeah.
Sa kanya?
No.
Download ko yung add-on. Yung T-Rex dig,
Okay.
tsaka yung furniture.
Yung pets?
Oo. Nara mo dati yung doon sa pangalan na
Oo, Jobert, Gunbert. Jobert, Gunbert, Bluebert.
What was mine? Gilbert. Mine
No,
was yours.
No, most of mine was named Bert. Sa'yo different.
Man, we had the same name. The last name, right? Bert.